Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about how to hack victim PC and operate remotely the victim PC. Or you can say create a payload and listener using social engineering tools. So first of all, if you are confused what is payload and listener, then it's pretty much obvious that you would have not studied Metasploit. So in short, payload is a file which we have to send to the victim which system we want to hack. If that file gets executed in the victim PC, we can control that PC through the listener. So that's why I mentioned to create a payload and listener using social engineering tools. It's going to be a very interesting video because in this video I'm going to hack a Windows system, that is Windows 7 system. After hacking that system remotely using a payload, what I will do is I will take the screenshot picture of that victim PC and I will even search for whatever is typed in that system, and I will try to get almost all of the activities happening on the system. So it's very interesting video. So let's begin. First, open a terminal and type Toolkit to start the tool. Select one social engineering attacks to receive a listing of possible attack. Select the module 4 to create a payload and a listener. Here you can see the list options, what payload we want to generate. I will select Windows Reverse TCP Interpreter, where interpreter is advanced multi-phased payload that operates via DLL injection, or you can see .dll files. Here, reverse TCP means that it is listening on a port that is waiting for the connection to either establish or abort. To select Windows Reverse TCP Interpreter, I will type 2. Now next we need to enter the listing host or lhost. So to get the IP, open a new terminal and type ifconfig. Here you can see the IP copy and paste in terminal. Now enter the port for listing. Here I'm going to use a default 443. Now type S for listening payload. Now the payload is created. To see the payload file, go to home, select the folder, set. Here you can see payload file. Change the file name to setup. Now copy the payload file and paste on the desktop of your Windows system. Here it's my Windows 7 on which I'm using the virtual machine for Linux. So the victim is this Windows 7 system. When the victim clicks on the payload, here you can see in the terminal, session 1 is created. Now type session-i1 to start the session. Here you can see attacker can remotely operate victim PC. So let's see, the session 1 is opened. Now let's try our hands. First, I will write help to see what all commands we have to control the victim system. You can see so many commands we have to control it. You can read it all and try to understand it. I'll show you some commands here. I will type the screenshot which I had said before. So the screenshot, it's taking a bit time. You can see the screenshot is saved to user share set in JPEG format. So let me go to that file. I'll open computers and insert that user and insert that share. No back. I will search for set folder. Inside that set. This is the image. Here you can see the image. It is shot on Windows system. It's pretty interesting. So we took the screenshot of victim system. So let's try keyscan_start. it has started keystroke sniffer. I'll create new document here and open it up here. It will record my keystrokes, so I will try some writing here. I am writing hello. Okay, whatever I'm typing here, hello there. So you can see what it has got. So let's type key scan underscore dump. Over here you can see that whatever I typed, first I typed HELLP, then after I corrected to O, then it's there. So it basically captured all my keystrokes. So now in Victim PC, I'll open Chrome browser. So again, key scan start, I'll type here. I'll start here key scan. In Chrome, I will open up Facebook. Here my Facebook has opened. So let me check what it has recorded. I will log out and write some user ID password here on Facebook. So let me again write key scan dump. Here you can see Raju 12345, whatever I had typed it had showed here, and I had opened the Google Chrome, that is also mentioned here. So the key scan literally copies or reports each and everything on the victim PC on each activity. So it was pretty much interesting even for me to do it. I hope it was interesting for you also. So that's it in this video on create a payload and listener using social engineering toolkit. Thank you for watching this video.